Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Ink here, and today we're going to be looking at the FK Irons One. The most affordable wireless tattoo machine from FK Irons yet. The One is sturdy, reliable and packed full of power, making it ideal for artists at all stages of their career. So let's take a closer look. The FK Irons One is part of a long line of industry-topping tattoo machines from the company that makes the iconic Flux, FluxMax and Exo rotaries. FK Irons designs its machines to prioritise the niche and diverse needs of artists, and the One's specialty is its incredibly affordable price point for an FK Irons tattoo machine without having to sacrifice wireless capability. Even with the lower price tag, the One is an impressive machine with no shortage of power or features. Powered by a 9-watt motor and fueled by rechargeable and replaceable Panasonic NCR 18500A batteries, which are easily charged with the included eFest dual battery charging dock. The One offers 5 to 12 volts of power for up to 8 hours of runtime, depending on voltage and cartridge used. If you're concerned that these batteries might be a pain to change, fear not. The One has a proprietary ruby-coloured quarter-turn battery hatch, allowing you to replace batteries quickly and without fuss. It's also easy to disconnect the battery without removing it. Turning the cap anti-clockwise severs the connection so that it can't accidentally be turned on during travel. The user interface has been seriously simplified for the One with just 3 buttons, an LED indicator and a colour chart. Voltage is adjusted using the up and down arrows to increase or decrease voltage by 0.5 volts per press, while a central power button is dedicated to turning the machine on and off. The colour of the LED corresponds to the colour chart, indicating which voltage level the machine is currently at, with a blinking light representing a half increments. You can also run a battery level check by pressing and holding the power button until it turns white. If the LED indicator turns solid green, you have a full battery charge, while blinking coloured lights indicate remaining charge as seen on your screen now. Choose between a fixed 3 or 4mm stroke length for your machine and make adjustments to the needle depth easily even while working thanks to the click grip ratchet system. You can also pair the One to the Darklab app for updates. To do so, press the top and middle buttons simultaneously to activate Bluetooth, with the LED turning dark blue to indicate that Bluetooth is turned on. You can then use the app to update the machine, and after the update is completed, Bluetooth will disconnect by default. FK Irons One measures 134mm in length, 38mm in diameter and weighs a reasonable 227 grams. The matte charcoal frame is made from medical and aircraft grade 6061 T6 aluminium and built ergonomically with large grooves for comfortable handling and to prevent rolling. It's compatible with all universal Cheyenne type cartridges and modular FK Irons grips, including the disposable foam and rubber ones, making this machine super versatile for a huge range of tattoo styles and techniques. This wireless machine comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, a dual battery charging dock and a custom cut foam travel case, which is perfect for protecting it while traveling to conventions and guest spots. Remember to disconnect the battery before you travel. Designed, engineered and manufactured in the USA, the FK Irons One is an affordable wireless tattoo machine for all artists, from beginners to pros. So what do you think about the FK Irons One? Will this be your next tattoo machine? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.